Oh, Milk. You don't look so good.
I don't feel so good neither. Check my date.
It's today, Milk.
Oh my God, I knew this day would come. I'm too young.
Milk.
Shh. I think I'm starting to feel something. I'm going bad.
Milk don't just go bad. First, it gets a sour smell.
What are you talking about, a sour smell?
Then, a film begins to form.
Film?
And before you know it, you're practically yogurt.
Hey, watch it, pal.
This conversation's between us food.
Yeah, batteries not included.
Can it, batteries? Because one day you'll be drained dead inside a neck massager.
If it's shaped like I am, honey, it ain't for no neck.
They'll recharge me. They won't, batteries. They won't. I'm going to die.
We're all gonna die. Oh.
Everyone calm down. You're all going to expire one day. The important thing to remember here is to keep it down because I'm trying to sleep.
Wait, shh. You hear something?
You hear what? What do you hear?
Milk, what happened out there, buddy? Are you okay? Snap out of it.
What's wrong with him?
He's empty.
Why would anyone put an empty milk carton back in the fridge?
I'll tell you why. To send us all a message.